Bigfoot, a legendary monster truck that emerged in the 1970s, is renowned for its massive size and incredible power. It has become a symbol of challenge and excellence in the monster truck industry. More than just a vehicle, Bigfoot is a global icon of culture and entertainment. The Harris Badger II. Ram baler stands out as a premier recycling machine, celebrated for its exceptional versatility and robustness. This makes it a top choice for facilities managing a variety of materials, including scrap metal, plastics, and fibers. Its dual ram design allows for greater compression force, producing dense, well-shaped bales that are easy to store and transport. Equipped with cutting-edge automation technology, this baler streamlines operations and enhances throughput, ensuring consistent bale density and size. The Harris Badger is built for durability, designed to withstand the demanding conditions of heavy industrial use without sacrificing performance. This machine not only optimizes waste management processes, but also significantly boosts the efficiency and profitability of recycling operations. It offers a reliable solution for businesses looking to maximize their material handling capabilities.
Is a highly efficient machine designed for the demanding needs of scrap and recycling facilities.
Colmar B6200
This powerhouse efficiently processes end-of-life vehicles by compacting them into dense, manageable bales, optimizing transport and improving the efficiency of recycling operations. The dual ram system ensures maximum compression force, enabling the Colmar B620OSW to handle even the toughest materials with ease. Its rugged design is built to withstand the harsh conditions of heavy industrial environments, ensuring durability and long-term performance. Additionally, the machine's advanced control systems provide operators with precise handling and operational control, further enhancing its productivity. Ideal for scrapyards looking to streamline their operations and reduce waste volume. The Colmar B620OSW dual ram logger baler is a critical tool in modern recycling efforts.
The Colmar B6200's dual ram logger baler is an essential tool in modern recycling efforts. Similar to P&H's electric rope shuttle design, the Osiris walking dragline utilizes a comparable cable mechanism. While it takes on a more traditional crane-style approach, featuring a bucket tethered by two ropes, one at the top and one at the base. It efficiently scoops minerals and dust as the ropes are pulled. These formidable machines play a vital role in lifting heavy loads in mining and construction, highlighting their importance in these industries. Thanks for watching. Oh, a renowned company has just unveiled the latest addition to their crawler dump truck lineup, the impressive Panther Series T14R. Weighing in at 30 tons for transport, this powerhouse is driven by a robust 211.5 horsepower Caterpillar engine, reaching a top speed of 13 km/h unloaded, and conquering steep inclines at 5 km/h. The T14R also boasts a remarkable 5% speed increase compared to its predecessor, making it a standout in the industry. If you're in search of a mulcher that can conquer the toughest terrains, the TigerCat Mulcher 480B is your answer. This machine stands out with its unmatched power and resilience, designed to endure the most demanding conditions with ease. With rapid load response, impressive power density, and low operating costs, it delivers top-tier performance while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. Powered by a formidable 480 horsepower Tier 4 engine, the 480B guarantees peak performance in every aspect. Introducing the Hitachi EX8000, the largest and most impressive excavator in Hitachi's lineup. Equipped with twin Cummins diesel engines, this powerhouse excels in productivity. Whether fitted with a 40 cubic meter loading shovel or a 43 cubic meter backhoe bucket, it handles heavy-duty tasks with ease. The X8000 features user-friendly maintenance systems that ensure safe operation, reduce downtime, and enhance on-site productivity. Thank you for watching. Introducing the latest iteration of crawler dump trucks, the Panther Series T14R. This industry standout weighs 13.2 tons for transport and is powered by a powerful 275 horsepower Caterpillar engine. It achieves a top speed of 13 km/h when unloaded and can navigate significant inclines at 5 km/h. Notably, it offers a 5% speed increase compared to its predecessor. Surprisingly, the Hi-Pillar Falcon 35 leads the market with the fastest separation speed available. Its intuitive one-hand joystick simplifies operation, setting a new standard for efficiency. Loading spars onto ships and cranes for streamlined processing may seem complex, but it's surprisingly efficient. Typically, spars are assembled close to the port, allowing for easy placement into the water. Ships then tow them to deeper waters where they are submerged through water filling. Once the spars reach the designated depth, the water is pumped out, enabling the smooth loading of the superload onto the ship. It's truly astonishing how, despite the trailer nearly tipping over, it miraculously regained balance without any steering adjustments. With remarkable poise and assurance, the driver then confidently ascends the hillside, executing the maneuver with unparalleled calm and skill.
The electro-hydraulic clamshell grab is designed for handling bulk materials, utilizing integrated hydraulic systems for efficient operation. Equipped with cylinders, pumps, and motors, these grabs facilitate smooth opening and closing actions. Their shells, made from wear-resistant materials like HB400 hardness steel, can be either open or closed to suit specific material handling needs. Various configurations are available, including options for overlapping knives for side and bottom, round-shaped closed shells, environmental executions, and power supply via Beco Deck Tower. These features make them suitable for a wide range of applications, from ship gear or overhead gantry cranes to environmental dredging and waste handling. The use of a 218 HSL 1 to 10 ton lattice crawler crane with a clamshell for placing over 4,000 tons of armor stone and 2,200 tons of core stone demonstrates the machinery's impressive capacity and precision in large-scale coastal engineering projects. This seawall construction project showcases the crane's ability to handle substantial weights and volumes of material, essential for building durable and resilient sea defenses. The crane's lifting power, combined with the clamshell's versatility, ensures precise stone placement, a critical element in creating effective seawalls that protect coastal areas from erosion and storm damage. These projects
Aula Special stands as a remarkable feat in the world of heavy transport, representing one of the largest operations of its kind. This massive transport involved moving a 300-ton load that measured an impressive 8 meters in height and 60 meters in length. The sheer size and weight of this undertaking required meticulous planning, coordination, and the use of specialized equipment to ensure safe and efficient transportation. The Aula Special showcases the capabilities of modern logistics and heavy transport technology, demonstrating how advanced planning, engineering, and execution can move objects of immense size over long distances. This operation not only highlights the logistical prowess and technical expertise needed for such a massive transport, but also reflects the continuous push toward achieving new milestones in the heavy transport sector.